So today we're gonna do a holiday roundup. We've got a gold corner, we've got our red corner, and we're really gonna go to battle.
These gifts are gonna be a total knockout. You're gonna be a winner this holiday season. All right, round one, let's get started. So, the classic. This is such a fun gift. This is the Sephora Collection Advent Calendar, and I love that they changed it up a little this year. Which gift do you want?
I want number 8.
I love these. I just think they're adorable.
Okay, so what are these little pods? These are so cute. Oh, it's a little bubble bath and
bubble
shower
baths.
gel.
Sometimes they're masks, sometimes they're bubble baths. I love that one. It smells like a tropical island too. That Manoi fragrance is so good. Oh, this one I use every single year. I collect them. They're little gua sha. They're like a great travel size. Just something really nice to have in your travel
bag. I want to
bag.
do another one. What about this eye one? Number 9 looks juicy.
Bet you this says it's coffee o'clock. I love Sephora Collection.
Right. She knows what's up.
I use it a lot. So these are great eye masks. They just get rid of those puffs right away, and it just feels super hydrating.
The caffeine just literally brings your eyes to life.
I love these advent calendars. They truly are just the gift that keeps on giving.
Okay, so this is the battle of the advent calendars because I have the Voluspa 12-day advent calendar filled with all of these beautiful candles. Literally 12 candles come in this set, and it makes the perfect gift. Like if you're going to a holiday dinner and someone's hosting, if you have a mother-in-law, nobody doesn't like candles.
So true.
It's just such a great gift. And they just kind of pop open. They're perforated, and then you can pull them out. So let me see what flavor this one is. Sparkling Cuvée. Coconut wax blend. Oh, smells like a little bubbly, almost like champagne.
I bet I'm gonna love this one. White cypress, freshly snapped and trimmed.
Ooh, that'll be nice and fresh.
Oh, this is right up my alley.
This one's one of my favorite scents that they have. It's lychee.
Kind of springtime
it's
to me.
Sweet, springy, but it's not too sweet. It's kind of muted.
Oh, I like this. Inside of each one, it tells you all of the notes of the fragrance. So this one's ripened fig, velvety musk, midnight rose, and fig leaf. Nice and complex.
Let me see.
It's really beautiful. All right, Melinda, you went up against a holiday champion.
I know.
Round. I hate to lose, but I do think actually this is a tie.
But I feel like we're both winners here.
Yeah, we're both
because
winning.
both of these gifts would win for anybody, I think.
Truly.
All right, next round.
Let's do
I'm going to start this time. So the next one I have is from Summer Fridays, and we both love Summer Fridays. Yeah. This is the mini lip butter balm kit, and it's just filled with 4 different lip balms. There's a vanilla beige with a tint, a brown sugar, and a poppy, which is like this bright one on the end, which I feel like would be so gorgeous on you.
I would love that.
But I just feel like who doesn't like lip balms?
And these are give you that moisture for the wintertime when your lips are really, really chapped. This is a great solve for that when you still want a little color.
This could be for mom, this could be for girlfriends, this could be for me.
All right, Melinda, I see your lip balms, but I have a real holiday punch for you from the red corner.
Oh, man.
We've got a drunk elephant kit. It's so good. It's so cute. I mean, I want this gift, so just everybody should know this. I was going to say,
this is the most Helen holiday gift I've ever seen.
It's just the packaging
so
alone.
Cute.
Look at this bag.
Oh, my goodness.
This is a reusable bag, so really handy dandy, but this kit really focuses on daytime skincare. Okay. So we've got a full size of the Protini, which is just a really great moisturizer. Oh, and a package within a package.
Oh, that's the vitamin C serum because you add...
it's the 2. Yes, cute.
To actually activate the vitamin C serum, you'll add that inside and mix it together.
One more thing, we have the DeBronzy. This is so great. It gives you just a little bit of bronze to your face. It's really good for if you want to do the no makeup look. So, red corner
versus gold corner.
Let's see who won.
I'm gonna fight for mine here.
I think actually yours is for the makeup lover.
Yeah.
And mine's for the skincare lover.
You won for the skincare lover. Yep. Fair enough. All right.
Cheers. That means that there's a bonus round. We have to break this tie.
Tiebreaker.
I have.
Oh my gosh.
A youth to the people.
So good.
Superfood cleanser refill kit. It's just so exciting because this is seriously something you use every day.
I've been using this cleanser for years. I feel like it's my absolute go-to. All skin types, all skin concerns. It's clean. It takes off makeup. It just works so well. I love their sustainable-minded packaging. So honestly, I feel like your last gift, I got nothing else to go up against you, so maybe you won?
Red corner.
So if you're looking for winning holiday gifts, be sure to shop the shelf below.
These are all total knockouts, so enjoy.
Happy holidays. We'll see you next time.
Bye.